After hosting suspected members of the renowned Klansman gang, including reputed faction head Andre, Blackman, Bryan, to conceal their extortion cash and leased getaway cars, a prosecution star witness yesterday said he chose to testify against his buddies so as not to waste the court's time. Witness number 2, who entered the stand for the first time yesterday and is the first witness summoned by the Crown in the prosecution of 33 people accused of being members of that gang, testified that he met Bryan through a buddy who was a member of the ring but is now deceased. The witness, who said that he had been jailed many times as a result of his contacts with the gang, stated that it was his decision to come out to testify against these guys, and disputed that he had been promised or offered to do so. According to the witness, at their initial encounter in December 2016, he had no idea who Bryan was but questioned his buddy about his identity since he noticed how afraid his friend was of Bryan. He also stated that he knew Bryan was superior to his friend based on how his friend reacted to him. He started moving nervously, tripping in his speaking. Normal, usual afraid, stated the witness, who acknowledged to being Bryan's personal and getaway driver. He was at my house all the time. He was at my place every day. He used to sleep at my place for months, almost 2 years, the witness testified in court. I learned he was Andre, Blackman, Bryan, and you don't deny a gangster. He claimed of his decision to become Bryan's personal driver. He also informed the court that his residence became a haven for Bryan's alleged bodyguard, who was allegedly hiding from the cops. He said that the bodyguard had lived with Bryan at his uptown apartment on Shortwood Road in St. Andrew, but had been forced to escape because authorities were looking for him. Yesterday, the witness, who appeared via video connection, identified many of the accused in the dock, including Bryan, while recounting situations in which he engaged with them and revealing the 2017 murder of Dooley at Price Right in Meadowbrook, St. Andrew.